a super duper quick video, but one that may actually help save lives. Today, I got the ZShield Flex shielded face mask, or I had it. I'm gonna put this thing together and test it out and actually see if this shield works like it was advertised, because I just saw it on TV and I want to make sure it's not a gimmick, but it looked pretty cool. So it looks like I just put this thing around my neck, attach the face shield, and I'm going to actually walk around, test it out, see how this thing works. But I can't wear a mask too much, it affects my breathing. I've tried so many different masks. I've actually gotten lightheaded just being in the store with masks. It just constricts my breathing too much. So I want to see if a shield will work better. I saw the ZShield, like I said, on TV. So let's get this thing set up and let's try it out a little bit. This will be a super quick video, but I'll give you my honest opinion on whether or not the ZShield actually works. You know what I'm going to say. Stay tuned. Alright, this is the ZShield. This is how it came packaged, just inside of this bag here. This is the shield here. Now I gotta add that the instructions are quite nice, really easy. I like this. This is how most companies should do their instructions. Instead of a booklet, which is just hard to read, they have pictures on a piece of like instruction paper, and assembly instructions are really easy. Just pull it out, peel off the protective cover film on each side, snap them in, put it on your head, place it up, place it down, and then you have some additional items here, and customization and other stuff like that, recycling options. But good job, ZShield, on that. So far, you're 1-0. Alright, so let's pull out the shield here. And while we're at it, if you can see that, let's just pull this one off here. Alright, so as you can see, this is just this is what's going to go around your neck, and right here, hopefully you can see that. Put those here. You can see the little notches here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 notches that'll go into the notches right here. There we go. All right. So first thing, let's peel off the protective film. Now I wish there were tabs where you're able to peel off. That would be a little easier. Even with my nails, it's not too easy to grab. Looking to get in some tabs, ZShield, that would be a little easier. But let's see if I can, there we go. I got one side off. Try to keep this as clean as possible. Let's get the other side. Definitely. You'll eventually get it. Or not. Let's try this side here. If you got nails, this will definitely help. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's not that easy. Okay, I think okay, awesome. Alright, finally. Alright, that part's good. Okay, now just give me a second. Actually, there's 5 slots here. I miscounted. I didn't see the 5th one there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're just going to assemble the shield onto the notches here. Now I'm freestyling this. I take it you can use either side. Let me just make sure. Perfect. Alright, so I want to make sure the camera can see me. Let's just get these in. And I'm going to notch the middle one first. The base. Alright, one's in. Make sure you flex it. 2's in. I'm just going to notch it, each one in each side. Flex it. 3, 4, and 5. Alright, once again, press them all down, make sure they're all in. 5. And there's the shield like that. Looks quite nice. Really sturdy and also flexible. So far so good. So I'm going to go ahead and put this thing on and then head to my shop and see how effective it can be. Be right back. Alright, let's try out the shield with some of these red rocks. Works good. Next we're going to try the shield with a little bit of water. If you angle it right, it's pretty good. If the ZShield can take a punch. Go ahead, Pierce. Hold on. Go ahead, punch me. Yeah, it can take a punch. Try again. Yeah, good, good. One more? Okay, alright, that one hurt. But it works. While driving, not too shabby either. Okay, just getting a couple side shots here. As you can see, I like it. I definitely like this thing. With or without the glasses. Without glasses, it really works. With the glasses, it does kind of hit the frame, but you can bring that down if you need to. You know, you can just kind of notch it down. And when you need to, you can just bring it all the way down here, like I did so, and then bring it back up. All in all, I like this. You can also put a mask on if you want extra protection, but as you guys can see, the ZShield is pretty freaking durable. I can't even get it to get off my neck, you know, and it does stay locked in pretty tight there. Alright, so with that said, I'm going to try this thing out for a couple days. I may do an update video, I may not, but you know what, this thing's pretty freaking decent. I think it was only like 20 bucks or so. You can even dance with this thing on if you need to and do a couple karate chops. With that said, guys, I'm going to end this video. Please, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.